Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Thierry Bolloré, Chief Operating Officer, Groupe Renault.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Renault. In 1898, when the world was just waking up to the thrill of the automobile, Renault drove the first direct drive gearbox car up Rue Le Pic in Paris, and it's one of the steepest streets of the capital. At the time, 120 years ago, it was an unprecedented technical achievement, and that moment sparked freedom, passion for driving and racing, and put Renault right in the center of the transportation revolution. At Renault, for 5 generations, we have been making our customers' life easier. Cars today are changing. They are becoming more high-tech, more powerful, and more sustainable. As you see here in our range, where we are showing new engines and updates in Zoe, Talisman, and new engines again in Capture and Scenic. Other major changes are happening in our industry. Connectivity and autonomous driving will increasingly allow people to choose between driving and being driven, which opens up new scenarios for mobility. This is our next revolution. Cars will be owned and shared. At Renault, we are getting ready. We have the right technologies, the assets, and the experience to help shape this future of transportation. We are already developing autonomous drive technologies and conducting several tests with fully autonomous electric vehicles. We are already experimenting and operating mobility services throughout the world as Renault and through our alliance with Nissan and Mitsubishi. Today, we are presenting a vision of mobility services where more efficiency, less congestion, and less pollution is most needed in urban areas. We are starting with cities because the statistics are clear. By 2050, 70% of the population will live in urban areas. Every week, more than 3 million people leave the countryside to live in cities. Cities have seen this coming. Many are becoming smart cities, using information and communication technologies to become more efficient, to improve their services and make their citizens' life easier. That's the starting point of our story today. We are about to show you is the first act of our mobility trilogy. This is the year we will explore what mobility services of the future might look like in many different scenarios. And today, ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to present Renault Easy Go, our electric, connected, shared robo vehicle concept. Here we are. Renault Easy Go is a concept robo vehicle built for the city. It's a car and it's a service. It's a concept that shows a vision for a 24/7 on-demand, zero-emission mobility solution. It's for city residents who are constantly on the go. It provides an enjoyable, practical traveling experience while contributing positively to urban quality of life. It's clean, fully electric, EasyGo is zero emission. It's safe. Fully autonomous EasyGo is reliable and reduces the risk of accidents. It's efficient. EasyGo eases congestion and reduces traffic. Fully integrated within the city, it will act either as a complement or an alternative to buses, subway, private cars, and all other transportation systems. It's consistent with the Renault Easy Life brand promise. EasyGo could be ordered through an application or through physical stations. It has the comfort and flexibility of an individual car, while providing a hands-off, worry-free, safe travel experience such as the one you get on public transports. Passengers can spend their traveling time reading, working, or talking to each other. It's affordable. As a shared service, EasyGo offers a highly competitive price per kilometer ratio, and it's meant for all. This robo-vehicle concept is designed to be used by everyone. People who can no longer drive, people who cannot yet drive, or who are unable to drive. EasyGo can be used for a ride alone, with a group of friends, with family, or shared with other users. In short, EasyGo is an urban electric robo-vehicle concept that can be tailored for public and private services. This is what tomorrow's transportation could look like, and we are excited to take part in this new mobility revolution. Now, I'd like to welcome Laurens van den Acker, our head of design, to tell you more about how EasyGo has been imagined in the face of changing urban mobilities. Up to you, Laurens.
Merci, Thierry. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, our fully autonomous robo-vehicle concept still looks like a car and not like a box on wheels. We believe that driverless shared vehicles should be attractive and can even become iconic. What if EasyGo became part of a city's calling card, like the yellow cabs in New York or the black cabs in London? What if EasyGo was customized for an airport or an hotel, driving clients wherever they wish to go? What if EasyGo created new transportation options for your grandparents or your kids, picking them up from home and driving them wherever needed? This is how we imagine our robo-vehicles contributing to society in the near future. As Thierry Bolloré said, EasyGo is a car, but it's also a service, and it's integrated in the city. Our vision goes beyond the car itself. We also thought about the surroundings and how EasyGo becomes part of it. As you can see, the ride can start from dedicated pickup and drop-off points. Being green, livable, and natural, these stands blend into an environment. As for EasyGo itself, its innovative architecture is designed to echo the cities. It has white glazed surfaces that mirror the cityscape, while giving the passengers a full panoramic view of the city outside. It's really a window onto the city. It's transparent, and it's a cozy, friendly place. Our first robo-vehicle concept is deliberately shared. At Renault, we like to provide mobility for all. Our cars are meant for everyone. Up to 6 people can sit in EasyGo, and you can imagine a private service catering to working people or to parents with kids. EasyGo could be shared by individual passengers or privately among a group of friends. Once you are inside, EasyGo is a true cocoon where people sit together. We could have chosen to give everyone their own private bubble, but we chose to design a warm, welcoming space for people to share a journey. It's friendly, and it's really meant for all. We focused on access, true to our company's vision to create mobility for all. Whether you are holding bags, pushing a cart, on crutches, or even in a wheelchair, everyone can enter EasyGo easily and on his own. That is why we designed this unique kind of access. EasyGo is open, cozy, meant for all and protective, and its dedicated pickup and drop-off points allow everyone to get in and out safely. But traveling in EasyGo is safe too. Autonomous car technology leads to fewer accidents, and it's also safer for the people in the vicinity. We use AD lighting signature and messages on the strips to help communicate with surrounding vehicles and pedestrians. EasyGo, this way, is true to Renault's French design and Easy Life brand promise. Mobility services will be an exciting complement to our range, which we have just renewed to become even more electric, connected, and autonomous. Our demo car, Symbiose, is a concrete real-life proof of our know-how at Renault. It shows what being on board a level 4 autonomous drive car feels like. But now we are prepared and thrilled to prepare the future beyond the individually owned car. EasyGo explores Renault's vision of what shared mobility in cities could look like. An electric, connected, autonomous and overall attractive robo-vehicle meant for all. At Renault, for 120 years, we have been making cars for people who love to drive, and now we are working on solutions for people who love or need to be driven. EasyGo is the first step we are taking this year. Later this year, you'll see more from us on next-generation mobility services. We are excited to drive the future. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Thierry Bolloré and Mr. Lawrence van den Acker will now be available for photographers in front of the vehicle.